Adding Recaptcha to Squarespace is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. First of all, you need to open Google Chrome. Next, type Squarespace in the search bar and hit enter. Open your website from the search results. If your website isn't hosted on Squarespace, you should start by logging into the Squarespace website. Then proceed to create your website. Once your website is created, open it. Its dashboard will appear as follows. On the dashboard, you'll find numerous buttons: website, commerce, marketing, scheduling, assist, analysis, profile, settings, and help. You can also preview your website. If you intend to add Recaptcha to your website, follow these steps. Click on the contact button. Next, click on the edit button. Afterward, click on the pencil icon to initiate editing. Click on the storage button. Enter your email. Proceed to click on Google Recaptcha and turn it on. Google Recaptcha serves a wide range of purposes across various websites and applications, including contact forms, login pages, and comment sections. It's highly effective in preventing bot and spam activities. After completing these steps, Google Recaptcha will be successfully added to your Squarespace website. And it is done. This is how you can add Recaptcha to Squarespace.